Every Whitehorn and luxury gray leather manufacturing process begins with carefully raised Grey Brahman Bulls. Consistent nutrition supports the quality required for Whitehorn and luxury gray leather manufacturing process. Careful feed management helps maintain consistent raw materials for manufacturing. Clean water remains essential throughout the Grey Brahman bull raising process.
Regular health monitoring protects livestock quality from the beginning. Rotational grazing supports healthy growth across the entire herd.
Precise growth tracking ensures production consistency. Modern livestock systems rely on detailed identification and traceability. Carefully selected animals move forward into the industrial supply chain. The journey now continues from ranch operations to the processing facility.
The selected Grey Brahman bulls begin their journey toward industrial processing facilities.
Carefully managed transport helps maintain quality throughout the supply chain. Documentation and traceability remain essential at every stage. Industrial logistics connect agricultural operations with manufacturing systems. Routine inspections help ensure safe and efficient transportation. The destination facility now comes into view. A highly organized industrial network awaits beyond the gates. Strict entry controls support operational accountability.
The transport phase concludes as materials reach the receiving zone.
The next stage begins inside the processing facility itself.
Beyond the receiving dock stands the heart of the manufacturing operation.
Large-scale infrastructure supports continuous industrial production. Safety procedures begin before any production activity starts.
Consistent protective equipment supports every stage of production.
The facility is designed for efficient material flow. Centralized monitoring coordinates the entire manufacturing process.
Reliable utilities keep the facility operating around the clock.
Production begins where organized systems meet industrial scale. Each department prepares materials for the next stage of production. The manufacturing journey now enters the cleaning and sorting stage. Every production line begins with systematic cleaning and preparation. High-capacity washing systems prepare materials for processing.
Filtration systems help maintain efficient production standards.
Multiple cleaning stages ensure consistent preparation. Controlled drying prepares materials for accurate sorting. Careful inspection supports production consistency. Automated systems improve sorting efficiency and precision. Material classification directs each component to its next destination. Preparation and organization keep production moving efficiently. With cleaning complete, the transformation process can now begin. The manufacturing flow now divides into specialized production streams. Specialized equipment prepares whitehorn materials for refinement. A parallel workflow prepares luxury gray leather for transformation. Preparation creates the consistency needed for precision manufacturing. Controlled conditioning helps establish uniform material properties. Digital measurement supports consistent production standards. Refinement improves material readiness for advanced processing. Coordinated logistics keep production moving without interruption. The next stage will shape raw materials into high-value products. Core processing is complete, and transformation now begins at industrial scale. The transformation stage converts prepared materials into valuable industrial products. Precision equipment ensures consistency across every production batch. Surface refinement enhances uniformity before finishing operations. Parallel production systems transform luxury gray leather on an industrial scale. Controlled processing conditions help achieve consistent material quality. Material transformation continues through carefully controlled industrial systems. Drying and stabilization help maintain product consistency. Automated logistics connect every stage of production. Inspection verifies readiness for final manufacturing operations. Transcription. The transformed materials now move toward precision finishing and final quality enhancement.
Advanced automation synchronizes thousands of production movements every hour.
Digital inspection systems analyze products with remarkable speed and precision. Automated routing directs each component to its exact destination. Robotic handling improves consistency while maintaining continuous throughput. Automation allows large-scale production to remain highly organized. Real-time measurement helps maintain strict production standards. Integrated logistics keep materials moving efficiently across the facility. Continuous monitoring provides immediate insight into every production stage. Automation prepares each product for its final refinement process. The next stage focuses on refinement, appearance, and final product quality. Precision finishing transforms industrial materials into premium products. Careful surface refinement enhances consistency and appearance. Detailed finishing ensures every component meets production specifications. Luxury gray leather receives specialized finishing treatments. Controlled finishing processes help achieve a premium final appearance. Stabilization protects quality before final verification. Automated inspection identifies even minor variations. Final adjustments prepare products for quality certification. Every finished product must pass rigorous quality verification. The final test of quality begins before products reach the market. Every finished product must pass strict quality verification. Precision measurements confirm manufacturing consistency.
Surface quality remains essential to final product value.
Visual inspection ensures a consistent premium appearance.
Laboratory analysis verifies production standards. Traceability systems connect every product to its manufacturing history. Scientific testing supports confidence in every finished product. Final approval confirms compliance with factory standards. Only certified products continue toward packaging and distribution. The final stage now prepares products for storage and worldwide shipment. Final packaging ensures protection and uniform presentation. Automation guarantees speed, accuracy, and traceability. Every package must pass final verification before storage. Robotic systems organize products for efficient transport. Finished goods are safely stored before global distribution.
Digital tracking ensures complete supply chain control.
Products now move from storage to global distribution.
Careful loading ensures safe international transport. The finished products now begin their journey to the world.
And this is how modern factories produce white horn and luxury gray leather from start to finish.